Welcome to Data Addock YouTube channel, and today's stream number 58. So for today there is one visualization tool we can see related to mapping. So this is now AI. We have pampam.city, where it utilizes OpenAI Wikipedia and create interactive maps or provide suggestion based on that. So uh, before start, let's check how it works. So here if I provide that, it's kind of like a suggestive tool where if you want to go travel or tours, then this pampam.city is very useful. It's just a new startup, and if I here enter here Eastern Ghats, I will just enter Eastern Ghats. So let's check what how it provide response. It's showing as thinking mode using so what it does here, it uses Wikipedia part where uh, first okay, I wanted to check thinking part. Yeah. So when I entered Eastern Ghats, it as per my location, it tries to analyze places nearby me, which is incorrect as per Wikipedia. Later, ChatGPT entered in this mode. Then, as per my input, it tries to understand Eastern Ghats places and provide suggestion. Then Pam Pam City, I think it's all kind of their in-house tool where it tries to explore Eastern Ghats places, and then it mentioned that I have found some interesting places and activities in the Eastern Ghats. Let me know if you need more information. So if you go to, and what were the uh, these places are provided with their details. I have, okay, so it is also have Perplexity, Foursquare, which are for pro users. Your locations, PAM is for location scout. This part I didn't know, I just found out during this uh, video. But however, if you check, then actually this part is where Eastern Ghats, and these parts where Western Ghats are located. It provided me look Eastern Ghats updates as locations as well, which is incorrect. What I was have more interest, it's for Eastern Ghats, which is they have provided few locations, uh, but let's check. Yeah, Nalamala Hills, and it provided link for Wikipedia with a short summary with a photo. And if I click on this, I think it will uh, mm, uh, take me to Wikipedia page. Let's check. I think it's only image. Okay, so there is only one image, and you can plan trip, things to do near, more like this. Then if I click on this, then same pattern we can see with image, short summary, Wikipedia link, then plan trip and things to do near part. So it is very much useful for if you are planning trip to particular location. So I will here enter one location. Taj Mahal. Check. Wikipedia typing, ChatGPT thinking. So we can see photo with details. It just uh, summarizing version of these places in this tab we can see. And if you check the actual process of flow, then here we can see that part. How to go, typo mistake. Here it provided a detailed travel plan, which is not in detail but useful for start. So you can check this for more, and since it uses OpenAI with Wikipedia, earlier we have seen similar kind of uh, timeline from Wikipedia with this uh, map uh, map tool, which I will provide a link in description so you can go through as well. So these are founders and team from Pam Pam City, and here you can create your own details with photo from your favorite place for like add details in this for that location with like date and time we can collaborate, import those file on mobile, create button. So this kind of features you can add or draw, add media as well. So currently for pricing free, for free version you can uh, search for 30 spots per month, 30 spots per map, 30K views per month. You can use that. Custom field, invite field, custom explore. So as it's similar to Google map, but it's like it is specialized in traveling part, where like you can travel of different destination. And for like from ChatGPT, it uses ChatGPT for OpenAI, it uses ChatGPT for activities and so it provides suggestions, and for from real time integration, and from Wikipedia it uses content, then it from Wikipedia, from whole article it try to summarize in short what is that destination is all about. So instead of whole link it provides summary. But whenever you are using this, since it's new, try to verify the details, and like if you click on this plan thinking, so whatever information you get, I think it's mostly correct, but try to verify before actually using that. So here you when I have clicked on planet trip, you can see that how it goes from day one, which places you can travel to, then day two, day three. So it's very helpful for planning trip. It act as a one of the tool for uh, decide destination or area near around. So that's it today for Pamson City AI hands-on. Let's meet next time with another interesting topic. Thank you.